I'm going to show you today how to replace the LCD of iPhone X. This is iPhone X. You can see this is iPhone X. So this is have a crack that is damaged from the LCD, this line. So phone is working, everything is good. So I need to change only the screen. So first I'm going to turn off. Just turn off. Then I'm going to use the screw that to open two screw here. There's got a two screw, one screw is here, one is here, so it's a two screw here. I can put some little bit heat like 360 degrees here. Then after I'm going to use this panel to just holding here for the iPhone X. Then when you put it here, when it's got a space, you just turn it around. Just 10 minutes to fix iPhone X. After this, just going to remove. Then I'm going to do now, I'll take the screwdriver to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screw. Then I'm going to turn off. I'm going to remove that still. After removing that one, I'm going to disconnect the battery. You see the battery disconnecting. Here is the battery connection. After battery connection, I'm going to remove the LCD. Remove the LCD connection. After LCD connection, I'm going to remove the Face ID that is coming there. After remove, I'm going to take off the LCD one side. Then I'm going to now transfer to the new one. Well, I'm going to transfer the Face ID and the loudspeaker. So I'm going to transfer this Face ID to here. Then I'm going to use the new one. So make sure when I open that one, it's got a 1, 2, 3 screw. Only I need to remove. Then I take that part to put it in the new. Then I'm going to install. This is an old screen that I transferred to the Face ID from here to here. So its Face ID is here and loudspeaker is there. Now this one I don't need it. I don't need to change anything. Just like this finish. Now I'm going to use the new LCD, the new one. You can see it. Then I'm going to install how I open. It's like Face ID I have to put first. Kick.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
The line for screen that is touch is working like a digitizer line. Yes. Then like I'm going to put the battery on. I just want to test that is how it works and make sure that part must be good. When we turn on, now phone is going to be turned on. So I just want to make sure that this phone is working, everything is good.